Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm at my buddy Link's house and we're starting to rebuild his truck. 3rd gen, full air ride all the way around. We're redoing it top to bottom. Top to bottom?
Close to.
Pretty close?
Just redoing a few things, dialing a couple things in.
So suspension's gonna get reworked a little bit. Pulling the motor, doing a bunch of motor mods. I'll let Link go over it. Today we're actually just switching the wheels and tires off of it to some different rollers, pulling the bed off, and we might pull the air management as well as some of the stuff in the engine bay that he might want to have pulled off. But tell us what's done, Link.
It's a 2008 Dodge Ram, Cummins, 1 ton. I've done full air ride suspension all the way around, all 4 corners. It's a custom built kit. There's 14 inches of travel. It's made with semi-trailer airbags. The motor it's got a few mods as far as the valve train goes. I'd say head studs, 425s for now. We're gonna pull those out. We're gonna do some 625s. It's got some Hamilton 110 valve springs in it, firing head, stage 3 push rods. We got a Steed Speed comp cut manifold T4 with external wastegate. I'm going to be running a single S467 from stainless diesel. It's a 5-blade charger. We pulled the 68 RFE out of it. I think I'm going to do a 48 or 47 swap with full manual valve body. The wheels are 22 by 14 fuel forged. They're the FF16 billet center caps. They're filthy right now. I apologize. The truck's been sitting for a while, but full color match. So the black is actually flake metallic to match the black truck Dodge paint code. It's illusion cherry red, Fox shocks all the way around, SRT 10 hood from the Dodge dealership. It's got 2015 heated and cooled seats in it, 2015 interior. I think that's about it. We're gonna be doing a few changes, but for now I think that's what's done to the truck.
Some of the future stuff, the air ride is getting adjusted on some of the geometry on it. The steering wheel likes to lock when he goes up and down, when he airs it out, when he's parked. Probably going to be putting different rods in it, maybe some pistons. Did you already go over your injectors? 200%?
They're 100%.
100% over injectors. But yeah, that's the build for it. We might go compounds, might stay a big single.
Yeah, probably big single for now. I mean, I guess it's not too big, but
No.
it should drive good. I'll probably be able to tow my trailer with it.
He's got a big old camper that he wants to pull with it. So, but he's already built this truck twice.
Once, it's just kind of taken forever.
Once, but taken a real long
It's been like
time.
a 3-year project, and I'm ready to get it done. I've had a lot of other stuff going on, and I keep making excuses as to why I don't get it done now. It's just
What kind of
finished.
red is this?
It's illusion cherry.
Illusion cherry. And all of his 4-link and everything else is 1/2-inch thick tube on all of his air ride. I don't know if you guys can see in there. Probably not right now. It's up there. It's all black, or all paint matched as well, powder coated. Everything is powder coated on this truck, from the frame to every single suspension component, everything. So we're gonna get to this, swap the wheels on it, get the bed pulled off, and maybe look at pulling this air management off as well right now. Look at that, it's Alec. We got the bed off after a bunch of fighting. And an air tank that's still stuck under there. But now all this has got to come out. Dirty. That's a lot of relays. As you can see, we had to go get some air fittings because we're pulling all the air management off of it. We had to go get something from Lowe's, but it's going to work. So we're going to get all this torn apart and switch the wheels out on it. Now that you guys can see them moving in the way. They're really dirty. But we're going to get the rest of this torn apart and then put the stock wheels back on it and hopefully have more updates coming soon, right?
Hopefully. That's the plan.
I'm going to keep plugging away on this and we'll catch you guys next time.